Hi friends, Stacy Baxter here with Magnolia Homes, and I'd like to welcome you home. My awesome new listing is a perfect location in Anderson, and it's priced in the low 300s. It's a little country, a little neighborhood. I mean, the neighbor across the street is pruning her apple orchard. This house is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, owned solar, and a great lot. At this price point, you won't find anything that can compare. Inside, you'll love lots of solid surface flooring in this ample kitchen. It's got beautiful stainless steel appliances and butcher block and concrete counters. And I just love having a big dining room so you can spread all of your friends and family around the table. You'll love that the kitchen and dining room are open to the living room with a wood-burning fireplace and lots of dual pane windows to let in beautiful natural light. This charming Anderson home is nearly 1,500 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. You'll love that there's even an indoor laundry room plus a bonus space. And this home has brand new luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the entire space, plus fresh interior paint. One of my favorite things about this home is the main hall bathroom. It's got lots of great tile work and 2 beautiful new vanities. No matter what the weather, you won't be cooped up inside. This home has a huge covered back patio. It's got lights, a built-in bar, so much space to spread out and entertain, even a hot tub. And this backyard is perfect. It's got plenty of room to run around and play, and even an above-ground pool. With dual pane windows and owned solar, you will love your utility bills here. There's even ceiling fans in every bedroom. You'll love the upgraded lighting and the central heat and air. This home has so many features that are nearly impossible to find at this price point. Go ahead and pinch yourself. It's not too good to be true. You can actually afford this amazing home, and we'd love to show you in person before it's gone. So call me, Stacy Baxter, my Magnolia team, at 530-209-1716. Because it's your life and it's your story. We're just trying to find you an affordable home with great features to tell it in.